Good morning, grade 7. Today we are going to continue our lesson prime numbers. We are in chapter 3. First of all, what is prime numbers? Let's make a revision about the definition of prime numbers. Numbers with only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are prime numbers. Example, 3 having two factors, 1 and 3. It's mean when you multiply 1 by 3, you get 3. 5 having also two factors, 1 and 5. 11 having two factors, 1 and 11. While the number 6 having many factors. So you can write 6 as 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So therefore, 6 having 1, 2, 3, and 6 as factors. Therefore, 6 is not a prime number. We mentioned that 6 it is a composite number. Also, let's see the number 14 and the number 13 to check our understanding about the definition of prime and composite. So, 14 can be written as 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. So, 14 having as factors 1, 14, 2, and 7. So, 14 is not a prime number. 14 is a composite number. While 13 can be written only as 1 times 13 as a product of natural numbers. It's mean as a product of numbers that they are positive and without decimal point. So in this case, we can mention that 13 is a prime number because 13 has only two factors, 1 and 13. Look to the numbers from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100, we try to find the prime numbers. How to find the prime numbers? First of all, we are looking for the numbers that they are divisible by 2. طب نحن أول شيء كيف بدنا نقول مين هن الأرقام اللي هن برايم؟ بلشنا نشوف مين هن الأرقام اللي هن divisible by 2. The numbers that they are divisible by 2 are the numbers where there's one's digits is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. فإذا الأرقام يلي بينتهوا بصفر أو 2 أو 4 أو 6 أو 8 هن أرقام divisible by 2. جينا نحن بكروس them لأنه صار عندهم غير 1 and their self صار عندهم another factor that is 2. هلا 2 can be written as 2 times 1 only غير 2. فإذا all the even numbers كل ال even numbers other than 2 are composite numbers. يعني كل ال even number ما عدا 2 هن they are composite. They are not prime. 3 is a prime number. Let's check the numbers that they are divisible by 3. إن نحن سبق وشفنا بgrade 6 إنه to know if a number is divisible by 3 we add the digits of this number. The digits, if the sum is equal to 3, 6 or 9, it's mean that this number is divisible by 3. كمان صار هيدا الرقم اللي عنده factors غير واحد ونفسه صار عنده 3 كمان at least as a factor. So it's not a prime number. And for 4, to check if a number is divisible by 4, we look to the last two digits. The last two digits form a number that is in the table of 4, it means that this number is divisible by 4. For the 5, شو عملنا? To know if a number is divisible by 5, we look to the ones digit, نطلع على آخره. إذا كان بينتهي ب 0 or 5, it means that this number is divisible by 5. كمان عملنا cross. 6, it should be divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. 7, to check if a number is divisible by 7 ما أخذنا rule عليها. كنا we check if the number is in the table of 7 or we can perform the division. If the remainder of the division by 7 is equal to 0, it means that this number is divisible by 7. For 8, it should be divisible by 4 and 2 at the same time. For 9, شو بنعمل؟ We add the sum we find the sum of the digits، يعني بنجمع الأرقام اللي بيشكلوا هيدا العدد. بنرجع شو بنعمل؟ إذا كان المجموع هو 9 معناتها هيدا الرقم هو divisible by 9. For the numbers that they are divisible by 10 أكيد هن the numbers where their once digit is 0. فإذا بهيدي الطريقة اللي اعتمدنا فيهم divisibility rules قدرنا نحن من الأرقام من 1 لل100 إننا نقدر نحدد الأعداد يلي هن prime numbers. And we get finally the list of prime numbers that they are from 1 to 100, that they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So نحن هون مجموعة الأرقام يلي هن برايم يلي بين الواحد والمية. Prime numbers حنرجع هيك just to recall. 2 is prime numbers having two factors, 1 and itself. It is the same for 3 having two factors يعني هن 1 and itself. 5 also 1 and 5. 7 1 and 7. For the composite numbers we have, in case of composite numbers, as you can see here, that you have for 4, for example, if you look to the number 4, you can see that 4 can be written as 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So 4 having as factors 1, 2, and 4. So it's not a prime, it is a composite. 6 can be written as 2 times 3, غير 1 و 6. Well, 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. 10 can be written as 5 times 2. So in this case, we can mention that the numbers يلي هن 4, 6, 8, and 10 are composite numbers. Now, let's give finally for today the definition of the prime factorization. What is